What's up guys, this is Keith Charvonia, owner of Charvonia Design. Today we're working on the 24 Tacoma. It's our Charvonia Design Company vehicle. We bought it for R&D. We've got a Kuat IBEX bed rack on it, and Kuat sent all kinds of accessories. So we've got this T-nut kit, happens to be M8, so our M8 roof rack tie downs are gonna fit perfectly. All right, let's head out of the garage here and we'll work on our Tacoma. Oh, hi FJ60. You need to be driven, don't you? All right, so we're out here at the truck. This is a 24 Tacoma with the Kuat IBEX bed rack, and it has these perfect channels built into it to mount your accessories. So with these M8 T-nuts, you just simply drop these into the channel. I've got the socket head cap screws sitting in the roof rack tie down, and we're just going to spin these bolts in with an M6 bit. So let me grab my little mini ratchet here and we'll just snug these up. These don't need to be terribly tight. Perfect. That's it, man. That's how easy it is to install these. So in the bed, I've got the full lineup of D-rings, rail tie downs, and bed tie downs. You'll see we're doing a little prototyping there. I put silver in the bed. I like them to pop, but I think on the outside of the truck, with this being bronze oxide and having all the black details, I think the black roof rack tie downs are going to look really good.